The project idea is to move heavy objects to the desired direction by hands motion wirelessly. And the goal of this artifact is to move the heavy items instead of pushing it in using our muscles. Also, no further manpower will be assigned. So, we would accomplish the works in less time and in better finishing. On the electrical side, one circuit will be placed on the hand, and the other will be on the object. And the connection between them will be functioned by wireless connection provided with antenna. The object will be movable and supplied with wheels to make it move naturally. Ultimately, we will apply the notion on the movable vehicle just to prove the idea of the project. Assalamu alaikum, my name is Rana Al-Uwaini. I'm a student at the Mechanical Engineering Department.
Assalamu alaikum, my name is Fahad Hamd Al-Ghamdi. I am a student in the Mechanical Engineering Department.
Assalamu alaikum, my name is Ali Had Al-Amri. I am a student at the Mechanical Engineering Department.
Assalamu alaikum, my name is Sahil Ghamdi. I am a mechanical engineering student.
Assalamu alaikum, my name is Fahad Sindi. I'm a student at Mechanical Engineering Department.
Our project is moving heavy objects by hand motion by using electrical circuit between two objects and also antenna and wireless connection.
We choose this idea to help our community in many ways, such as accomplish the work wirelessly and time safe in business areas and reduce the human interventions.
Now we will explain the components of our artifacts. First, when I'm moving the hand, the accelerometer has X and Y and Z directions will send the certain orders to Arduino. And the Arduino will translate the decoder, and the decoder here will signal the transmitter to send.
Then the receiver here will receive the signal, and the encoder will translate it to it. The encoder will operate the other motor, this one here, and then the motor will operate, the wheels will move.
There are many fields that could be supported with our project. For example, the distribution field. We could use the distribution companies for loading and unloading the packs that is supported with wheels instead of pushing it and using our muscles. The second example is the trash ban, which is the environmental field. We could use the trash bans for emptying the rubbish without using our hands and finish our work wirelessly.